Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the radios that QuickShare uses. Toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi from quick settings so pairing and high-speed transfer are available. Once done, open Settings, go to Connections, then QuickShare and turn it on. This lets your phone advertise itself. Make sure visibility is set to everyone or contacts only, depending on privacy. You do this now because QuickShare needs both discovery and network bridging to hand off files smoothly. This removes delays later. You pick the file in Gallery or Files, then tap Share and choose QuickShare as the target. This initiates device discovery and prepares a secure channel. Once QuickShare scans, select the visible recipient, their avatar or device name, so you explicitly target the transfer. After you tap Send, the phone composes a transfer session and shows progress. The recipient must accept for peer verification. If you want faster speeds, make sure both phones are on the same Wi-Fi or have Wi-Fi Direct enabled. You wait for the progress bar to reach complete, then confirm the file opened correctly on the other device. This verifies integrity. If transfer fails, first toggle QuickShare off and on, then restart Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to reinitialize radios. Often that resolves handshake problems. If it still fails, clear the app cache for QuickShare in Settings or reboot both phones. This resets stale connections. One key tip: make sure neither device has battery saver engaged, because that can block background networking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.